When considering the Pond Mobile eSIM for international travel, here are 12 things you need to know before purchasing to make sure it's the right choice for you. With so many eSIM options available, it's important to compare and understand its unique features, especially when compared to other services on the market. First, Pond Mobile's main advantage is its wide coverage. It supports over 100 countries, which is ideal for international travelers. Many traditional SIM cards or other eSIM services only cover a handful of destinations. So if you're hopping between different countries, Pond offers more flexibility. Next thing, pricing. Pond Mobile uses a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for what you use. This is convenient if you're only traveling for a short time or don't want to commit to a lengthy plan. On the flip side, some competitors offer cheaper flat rate packages for long-term travelers. So if you're planning an extended stay, you may want to consider those options. The third thing is how easy it is to activate your eSIM. Pond Mobile offers a simple, straightforward activation process that doesn't require waiting in lines or visiting a store. You simply scan a QR code and you're good to go. However, other eSIM providers may provide quicker setup for certain regions, so make sure to check what's available in your destination. Now let's talk about data speeds. Pond Mobile offers fast, reliable data speeds, but depending on the country you're in, you might experience varying levels of performance. In some regions, competitors like Airalo may offer better performance in terms of speed and stability, so it's important to read reviews based on your specific travel destinations. The fifth thing, customer support. Pond Mobile does provide customer service, but some users report that it's not as responsive or available 24/7 as other services like Holofly or Nomad. If fast support is important to you during your trip, consider whether this could be a deal breaker. Next, Pond Mobile offers a range of flexible plans that cater to different data needs. Whether you're using a lot of data or just need to stay connected, it can accommodate. But competitors such as GigSky may offer more data-heavy plans if you need a larger bundle for things like streaming or working remotely. The seventh thing you should know is the validity of your plan. Pond Mobile's plans typically last 30 days, but if you're staying longer, you'll need to repurchase a new plan. This is a big difference from providers like Airalo, where you can add credits or top up for longer periods without the need for a new plan. The eighth thing to note is network reliability. While Pond Mobile partners with major global networks, it can be hit or miss in certain remote areas. If you're traveling to less frequented places, competitors might offer more reliable service. The ninth thing, Pond Mobile provides excellent international texting and calling options, but keep in mind these features come with additional charges. Other services may bundle these features into their standard pricing, so if you're looking for all-inclusive calling, it's worth comparing. Next thing is their app. Pond Mobile's app lets you manage your eSIM and track your data usage, which is quite convenient. However, some other providers like Holofly offer a more intuitive app interface with additional features, such as live chat support directly from the app. The 11th thing, data sharing. Pond Mobile allows you to share data with other devices, which is useful if you're traveling with a family or need to stay connected on multiple devices. This feature isn't always available with other eSIM providers, so it's definitely a plus. Finally, Pond Mobile works well for short-term travelers. But if you're a frequent traveler or you're looking for a more long-term solution, competitors like GigSky or Airalo might provide more flexibility in terms of renewals or country-specific plans, saving you money in the long run. Pond Mobile eSIM is a solid option for many international travelers, but if you want a better deal or a service with more flexible plans, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.